I'm starting an experiment on YouTube to see if I can use bots to make money online. What will be involved is using a few different AI tools to create content quickly, specifically YouTube videos quickly, and offering a related product to those videos. And it's going to be set up in a way that when somebody buys one of those products, I get a commission of that sale. So if you want to take action, don't just follow along with the video, but actually try each of these steps that I'm going to go through right now. So let's get started. So once you've registered into Digistore24, head over to the marketplace and hit all offers on the affiliate marketplace. And you can immediately see on the left-hand side here all of the different categories that you can choose from and all of the products for each of those categories. But it's important to understand here that the content that I'll be creating to promote this offer, the offer that we're about to choose, it's not going to be for this specific YouTube channel here that you're looking at, where I explore stuff about making money. This is going to be for a new YouTube channel that I'm creating, and that will be in the fitness and health niche. But as you can see right over here, here's the number one product, the number one offer in Digistore24. That's for all of these categories, which offers 85% commission. I believe this is something around weight loss. So let's just quickly check what the sales page looks like. There's a video here showing how somebody here is struggling with their weight. And in bold here is melt away stubborn fat. So this topic is about something to do with weight loss, which would fall into the health and fitness channel that I'm looking to create. Now, a key factor here is I want to make sure that the content that I'll be creating is related somewhat to the product that we'll be promoting. I think not only would that increase the chance of somebody buying it, but why would you even want to push a product that is not even related to the content? Because the concept here is not about just selling somebody at the end of a video, but it's about giving them more value in taking a further step after looking at a video that helped them figure out something. Maybe they'll be looking at a video about the effects of weight gain, and at the end of the video, they wanted to start losing some weight. That's where you can pitch a product like this that would help them with that solution. I mean, that is a little bit straightforward, right? Now to quickly grab some content ideas that we're going to research using the first tool. So I see here the word metabolism trigger. So it's a newly discovered metabolism trigger. This is something that we could research to see what content they have on YouTube around metabolism trigger. So at a quick glance here, you can see that slow metabolism could be a reason for weight gain. And that's the basic concept. We won't be looking into that into any more detail. This video is about how we can make money with this, not how we can burn some fat. Though I am interested in how I can do that. Anyway, so I'm seeing things here like slow metabolism, reignite your metabolism, metabolism boosting foods, eat healthy and boost your metabolism. So all here are ideas for videos. Let's see what else we can find from the product sales page. So it's vegetarian. So maybe something like vegetarian foods to boost your metabolism. And here are more ideas that you can use for inspiration, as well as seeing what videos are doing well. Now, what I would do is look for more content ideas examples here. Not only speaking about how you can boost your metabolism, but since it's a series of videos around this that we're going to create, I want to approach it from a few different angles, meaning a few different videos that would reach the viewers who are at different decision points. For example, there would be people who already know that increasing their metabolism is a way that they can burn fat. But then there are the people who want to burn fat, they want to lose weight, but they don't realize that speeding up your metabolism can help with that. So maybe some types of videos that might address the people who are not aware of stuff like slow metabolism versus high metabolism. Or maybe something like the number one reason why you're not losing weight. For me, that will be because I like food too much, but this isn't about me. So based on that quick research, here are some video ideas that I came up with so far. And for each of these video ideas, we'll be passing them through the first tool which we'll be talking about, which is TubeBuddy. So hit that and then hit Keyword Explorer. Now, the few tools I'll be talking about in this video, there will be links in the description below that you can start using without spending any money. And specifically, what we'll be using the TubeBuddy Keyword Explorer for here is the fact that it's a brand new channel. And yes, health and fitness is a somewhat saturated niche, but that doesn't mean that we can't rank for some keywords, some search terms. So what we'll be using the Keyword Explorer for here is to find keywords that we can somewhat still rank for as a fairly new channel. How to speed up metabolism to lose weight is the first video idea. So let's find speed up metabolism to lose weight. So this was a suggestion. So according to TubeBuddy, this is a very good keyword to target. But there's also a suggestion here, related search, that says how to speed up your metabolism to lose weight fast. So let's see that one. Now this one has an excellent score, and it also sounds better as a title that we could also tweak at some point, but If you think about it, that's what somebody will want to find out. They want to find out how they can speed up their metabolism to not just lose weight, but lose weight fast. So now that you have that, let's create the content for this video, meaning the script. And what I use for that is my favorite AI copywriting tool called Jarvis AI. And if you haven't done so already, check the first link in the description to get your first 10,000 words for free. And once you've logged in, come down to Documents and hit New Document. Start from scratch. I'll just paste the exact title that I just copied. Choose the output length as longer and then hit Compose. And just like that, we started the video script already. I want to continue, so I'll hit Compose. Now, this is going great so far, so I'm just hitting Compose again. The second one, the first tip is eat more protein, the second tip is eat fiber, and the third one is eat more complex carbs. And if you notice, the title that I came up with wasn't 3 ways, but the article that was suggested here was 3 ways to speed up your metabolism to lose weight fast. And when I'm creating the YouTube title, I can just simply add 3 ways at the ending here. So how to speed up your metabolism to lose weight fast? Top 3 ways or something like that. And what I can do to get a conclusion paragraph is come up here now by power mode. Choose something like blog post conclusion. Choose something like benefit of speeding up your metabolism to lose weight fast. Hit compose. Hit generate AI content. We got 3 options to choose from here, but just the first one here sounds good to me. All you have to do here is highlight it, copy, and paste it at the end here in our original script. If you notice at the ending here, it says, we can help you get started with our 7-day blast challenge. Now, what we'll be doing at the end here of this video script is pitch the product that we just looked at. The product being here, this Meticore product. We're at the ending here where they talk about this 7-day fat blast challenge and still recommend to get this to get ready for a slimmer waistline, etc. We'll just say something here like, for my number 1 recommendation to boost your metabolism, and check out the product in the first link in the description. So if you've reached this far into the video, following along, taking action, doing your own research, finding video ideas, and actually scripting it with Jarvis AI, the next part is about actually making the video. And that's exactly what I get into in this video right here, where I discuss a different niche, quickly scripting the video and then using this tool that does all of the video creation almost automatically. So check that out next.